We back after about 6 months. We're back. As you can tell, we was in a whole different whip. I'm gonna get into that a little bit right now. Alright, so if y'all don't know, my old car that I used to have was an AMG C43, and that one actually got crashed. So now we're in the new AMG. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around in a bit, but I'm gonna give y'all some little pulls. It just got warmed up, so I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. I'm on my way to try to make a appointment to get some tints, cause I'm in fishbowls right now. Been in fishbowls for a couple days. I'm not feeling it. I wanna go ahead and put this thing in Sport Plus. Give y'all some pulls. Let me give you our performance pages. To a drag car, a roll car. I'm gonna take it to a track eventually, but this car is gonna go through it all. I'm gonna show y'all the drivetrain in a little bit. I'm gonna show you like the exterior, show y'all everything. I'm just giving y'all some pulls for right now. We're on the road. Getting out to a tint place. I'm gonna try to get a quote, see if I can get these switch bowls tinted up by tomorrow. So we just got our appointment for our window tint right here, Universal Window Tint. So shout out to them. I'm gonna get the same color match onto here. So tomorrow I got my appointment. Bro just baited me with a scat. I'm gonna give y'all some revs real quick. I can feel that shit in my chest, bro. I feel it in my heart. Yeah, so this is it right here. My new to me 2018 C63S. As y'all can see, I don't even know what color this is really. It's gray, silver, whatever you consider it. Brand new. To me, at least. Give you guys a walkthrough of the car. I'm gonna show you the outside first, and I'm gonna take on inside. The inside right here, as y'all can see, is pretty crazy. Off the bat, we got these racing seats right here. Come in. Obviously, y'all seen the steering wheel, y'all seen the inside, white carbon fiber. If y'all remember my old AMG 43, C43, was white with black. And the inside was black on red stitching. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick so y'all can see I'm not lying what this really is. Y'all can see Sasha Jonas. Cam built. I'm gonna give y'all some revs from the outside, from the front. As y'all can see, that turbo spool is crazy already. I'm gonna show y'all some mods that I want to do. I'm gonna explain to y'all some mods I want to do. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little mod list. Obviously, I'm not gonna say everything. So, two things automatically already on top of my mind: intakes, and we're gonna do some downpipes. Off camera, my 43 actually had intakes and downpipes. I'll throw a photo on if I have one. But for this one, I practically want to do the same thing: intakes, downpipes. Obviously get it tuned to the whole shebang, and some cosmetic mods. I want to get a front lip right here. I really want a front lip. I'm gonna change this grill to a new GT style grill. Obviously some new shoes. Eventually wrapping the whole car. I want to get a spoiler as well, diffuser, exhaust tips. So this is my brand new to me 2018 C63S AMG, coming from a 43 C43 AMG. This one got a lot of power to it, man. This thing is crazy right here. I'm gonna give y'all some last little revs from the back. Some revs from inside the cabin so y'all could have a little comparison. So this thing's gonna be a monster eventually one day. As of now, This is my brand new C63 AMG S. And subscribe. Thanks to all y'all friends, man, because this car right here is gonna be a journey right here.